Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to hide your Instagram posts from someone without blocking them, you actually have a few options. Instagram gives you control over who sees your content, and depending on what you want to hide, you can adjust your settings to make sure certain people don't see your posts or stories without them even realizing it. One of the easiest ways to control who sees your content is by using the close friends feature. This works for Instagram stories and lets you share content with a selected group of people. Whenever you post a story, you'll see an option to share it with everyone or only with your close friends, which you can customize in your settings. This is a great way to filter out certain followers without having to remove them completely. Another option, also for stories, is to hide your story from specific people. You can do this by going to Settings, Privacy, Story, Hide Story, and Live From, and selecting the person's name. This way, your stories won't appear for them at all, and they won't be notified that you've hidden them. This method works well if you only want to limit visibility for a few people. If you want to reduce someone's exposure to your profile, but not completely remove them, you can restrict their account. Go to their profile, tap the three dots in the top right, and select Restrict. This won't stop them from seeing your posts, but it does limit their interactions. Their comments will only be visible to them unless you approve them, and their messages will go to your message requests instead of your main inbox. Another simple way to limit who sees your posts is by removing them as a follower. This works whether your account is public or private. If you go to your followers list and tap remove next to their name, they won't automatically see your posts in their feed anymore. They can still look up your profile manually, but they won't be passively shown your posts while scrolling. For the most control over who sees your content, setting your account to private is the safest option. You can do this in Settings, which ensures only approved followers can see your posts. This way you control exactly who follows you, and if you remove someone, they won't have access unless they request to follow again. That's how you can hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Instagram and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.